Hello viewers, today I'm gonna show you how to create a rubber stamp in Adobe Photoshop. In this tutorial I'll be using Adobe Photoshop CS6, but you can use any version of Adobe Photoshop. So let's start. First of all, we will go to File, Create New. We will adjust the width, height, resolution, and we will select the background content to transparent. Click OK. Now go to View and enable rulers. I have already enabled it, but if you don't see it here, then you can go to View and enable the rulers. Okay, now grab the ruler from the top and put it in the center. Same in this case with the left side ruler. Now go to ellipse tool, press Alt plus Shift to make a centered circle like this. Now go to paths, select path and go to horizontal type tool, click on this, type any random text. Okay, select this. You can change the color font, but I'll be using StamPete because this is a very feasible font for stamp. We can also change the size of the font. When you done all these things, click OK. Now go to layers, create a new layer and go to elliptical marquee tool, press Alt plus Shift and create another circle. Go to edit, stroke and give some stroke. I will give a width of 6 and color will be black. Okay, go. Now again go to elliptical tool, press Alt plus Shift to create a centered circle around the text. Okay, go to edit, stroke and you can change the width and height. Let's assume I will 4 pixels in a black color. Okay, so here we got. Now Ctrl plus D to deselect, or go to select and press deselect. Now we want to add further text. Approved, select the text and put it in a center. Press OK. This is our stamp, and now we will go to save as and we will save it as a PNG format for further use. Thank you very much, and please do subscribe, like and share our channel. See you in next tutorial.